There is a large number of tests that are required by the authorities to certify an engine. It starts at component level, doing blades or part testing. Then you have rig tests, and you also have to test at an engine level for specific test requirements that you have to fulfill. The testing we conduct happens here in Germany in a test bed. We have a test bed in the UK, in Derby, where we test for special things like bird ingestion. We have been testing in the United States, mainly an outdoor test bed there, but also an altitude test facility. And we have a test bed in Montreal, where we also test cyclic testing and also testing which includes water ingestion. The build level on each engine depends on its actual test purpose. So for instance, when we want to test the whole nacelle, etc., then we build a full engine and expose that also to a typical in-service vibration levels. Whereas when we test the core engine, for instance, then the rest of the engine needs to fulfill a certain purpose, but doesn't need to be complete. Things that we find in the early days of a program will help us to improve the reliability of an engine and therefore avoid customer dissatisfaction. The decision whether an engine has passed the test or not in the first place lies with the engine owner, then with the chief development engineer, and once everything is written together, then the last authority is the EASA that decides on the cert report that has been handed in based on test data. So at the moment we're supporting flight testing in final support of aircraft certification, and on bench testing we're further doing maturity testing to improve the product and prepare entry into service. When I saw the engine running for the first time, this was really quite an enlightening moment. All the hard work up front, all the challenges we had to get the engine up and running, and then to see it becoming truth was really exciting. With completion of all the testing on the Pearl 15, with achieving more than 10,000 cycles and more than 4,000 running hours on this program, we have ensured that we have an outstanding product that achieves reliability and therefore complies with customer needs.